MCB, miniature circuit breaker. So this is one of the protecting device by using this MCB. So we have to protect the device under overload condition and also short circuit condition. Okay. So your home appliances, so that is a TV, fridge, fan. These all devices can be protected by using MCB. So MCB is a overload protection and also used for short circuit protection. So two protection can be done by using MCB, miniature circuit breaker. Okay. So in this MCB, MCB have a feature of good HR CFUs. MCB have the features of good HR CFUs and a good switches. Okay, high rupturing capacity, and these are used for switching purpose under normal conditions and circuit break under overload and short circuit condition. This MCB is used for protection of overload condition also. Okay, so trip the circuit under overload condition and also short circuit condition also. Break the circuit under overload condition and short circuit condition. Understood? This MCB is operating under overload condition and short circuit condition. Okay. It's clear. The switching purpose under normal conditions only is acting as a just switch, turn on the switch under normal condition, but under faulty condition it is acting as open circuit, that is called short circuit condition and also overload condition also. Okay, under overload condition, this current drawn from the supply is increasing. The device current drawn from the supply is increasing. For example, if the machine is overloaded, single phase induction meter, machine is overloaded means this draws the rated current above the rated current. For example, this single phase induction machine rated current, for example, let us assume 2 amps or 5 amps. 5 amps is the rated current of single phase, let us assume. Okay, if the current is increases to above rated current, that is called above 5 amps. Okay, that means under this machine is overloaded. So to protect the device, okay, this MCB is used. Okay, and also short circuit condition also, this any short circuit is occur. Okay, in the winding of the machine or devices. Okay, inside of this machine, any winding short circuit takes place, so it draws the more amount of current from the supply. For this case also, this MCB is used. Okay, it is normally operated at 1.2 times of the rated current. Okay, MCB miniature circuit breaker is normally operated at 1.2 times its rated current. Okay, it is manufactured with a quick reset and operated facility. Okay, this MCB is manufactured with a quick reset and operated facility, hand operated facility. Okay, it is basically operated on two types of working principles. So one is called thermal operation and magnetic operations. Based on this two operations, this MCB is working. Thermal operation means under overload condition, this MCB operate, and magnetic operations under short circuit condition, the magnetic operation, okay, takes place inside of MCB. Magnetic operation, so related to the short circuit fault, and the thermal operation is related to the overload fault, overload conditions, the thermal operation principle. Based on thermal operation principle is working. Okay, based on magnetic operation principle under short circuit condition, it works on the magnetic operation. Okay, so in thermal operation, it is achieved by bimetallic strip, which deflects when heated by any overcurrent flowing through it. Okay, understood? It is achieved by bimetallic strips. Two different characteristics of metals are joined together. That is called bimetallic strip. Two different characteristics of metals are placed side by side. Okay, that means the expanding characteristics are different. Okay, when the temperature of this strip is increasing, means there is bending in a different way. So it's like a bending. Instead of expanding, it is bending in one direction. Okay, it is achieved by bimetallic strips, which deflects when heated by an overcurrent flowing through it. Under overload condition, the current flowing through this device is more. So because of that, heat is increasing. Because of it, it bend. The bimetallic strips deflects. Okay. So that's why this way this thermal operation and the magnetic operation. And when short circuit occurs under short circuit condition, so the high current of flowing into this fuse MCB miniature circuit. Huge amount of current is passing through the huge amount of current is passing through the MCB. Am I right? So it is connected in series with your home appliances. That's why. So when fault is occur on your devices, it draws more amount of current from the supply. When short circuit occurs, the rising current energizes the solenoid. There is a solenoid is there inside of there is a solenoid equipment is there inside of MCB. So it is used used to energize the coil. To move the pin. Okay, so you can easily understand when I'm explaining this operation. Okay, when short circuit occurs, the rising current energizes the solenoid, further operating plunger to strike the trip lever, immediately releasing the latch mechanism. So in this way, this is a magnetic operation. Okay, so this is called magnetic operation and thermal operation. Thermal operation under overload condition and the magnetic operation under short circuit current condition. Okay, so construction of MCB, the casing of MCB is made of molded thermoplastic polyester. The casing of MCB is made by plastic polyester. Okay, this material is a fire retardant and non-hydroscopic. Understood? This material is a fire retardant and non-hygroscopic. This thermoplastic polyester. And this, so they are installed directly on rail in distribution boards, control panels, simply by fixing. So okay, this thermoplastic type polyester installed directly on rail in distribution boards, control panels, simply by fixing. Okay, so the contacts are made silver copper alloy, which ensures a longer life of contacts. The contacting points of this MCB is made by silver alloy. So because of longer life of contacts. Okay, under opening condition, under arc is developed. Because of that arc, okay, this may be a damage. That's why to protect this, to increase the life of this device, silver copper alloys are used. Okay, silver copper alloy, which is ensure long life of contacts. These have low resistance, resulting low watts loss. Okay, low resistance means low heat generate, low watt loss. Okay, the contacts are designed to have zero bounce during closing operations. Okay, and the operating mechanism of MCB as quick make, quick break, and trip free mechanism. This is about the operating mechanism of the MCB as quick make, quick break, and trip free mechanism. Okay, so in this way, this is under faulty condition, quick break. Under after fault clearing condition, quick make. Okay, and under during the fault condition, trip free mechanism. Okay, so this is about construction and applications. MCB is used extensively in low voltage domestic and commercial and industrial applications. So MCB is generally used in low voltage and domestic and commercial and industrial applications. It's clear? And then so when current is under normal operating condition, so can you consider here? So under first we have to considering on overload condition. Okay, under normal operating condition, small amount of current is that is called operating current is flowing through the bimetallic strips to the fixed mobile contact and fixed contact and solenoid, and this way the current entering into the MCB and leaves like this. Okay, under overload condition means the more number of loads are connected in parallel, and then current drawn from the supply is increases, and because of that this current is increasing into the MCB is increases. Okay, the current entering into the MCB is increases, and then the bimetallic strips bending. Okay, so because of it is having two different type of metals, is designed with two different type of metals, and it is bending in one direction, downward direction, and then there is a separation between fixed contact and a movable contact. Okay, So this is bending of this depending upon the different types B, C, D, class B, class C, class D. Okay, depending on this metallic stress depending upon class B, class C, class D. So here this so when the more number of loads are connected in parallel, this means it draws more current from the supply, and then the bimetallic strips is bending like this. Okay, moving downward direction, bending because of this bimetallic strips bending downward direction. This movable contacts is downwards, and the spring use the spring because of the spring mechanism. There is a sudden open contact between fixed contact and mobile contact. Because of that sudden open separation between fixed contact and mobile contact, okay, this spark is appear in between these two. That spark can be minimized by using this spark divider or arc divider. Okay, under a sudden opening condition, so this way the spark is appear. Okay, this spark is moving into this is called guy. So one guy is this spark is moving so this way, this is called spark divider or arc divider. So this moving, so here try to concentrate here. The spark is coming in here, and then and is split into different small type of arcs, and then this arc can be minimized. Okay, so this is a arc is called one type of plasma. So this because of this plasma, heat is increasing. So huge amount of heat is increasing because of this arc. Okay, that's why. So we want to protect this devices. This arc or spark dividers are used. This spark can be minimized by in this way. Okay, so because of you IV current, because of suddenly opening this switch, okay, this spark is okay, it's developed, and this can be minimized by using arc divider and spark divider. And is having because of this spark is called as a one type of plasma. Because of this heat is increasing. So when the heat is increasing means what happened when the heat is increasing means the device life is decreasing. That's why. So to withstand the type of heat, the ceramic plate type of uh, is used. Ceramic type of plate is used. This is made by ceramic plate. Okay, to protect the type of heat when because of spark. Because of the spark, this can be protected by using ceramic plate. This way, the spark can be some minimized. Okay, under overload conditions. So in this way, these are opening the contacts. Okay, understood. So in this way, this MCB is operating under overload condition. Okay, and then so under short circuit condition. So next concept is called how this MCB is operating under short circuit condition. So short circuit condition is so huge amount of current is passing through this device. Na? Okay. For example, any short circuit is occurring in this two contact pans. Okay. Any short circuit is occurring in the contact pans. So the huge amount of current is passing through the this devices. Try to concentrate here. So under normal conditions, yeah, then this way this current is flowing. Okay. Under faulty condition, high current is passing through the MCB. Okay. This high current passing through the MCB and metallic strips and solenoid. These are connected in series. Okay. So this is this input terminal, and it is called bimetallic strips, and this is called movable contact and a fixed contact and a solenoid. Under short circuit condition, the solenoid is operating. Okay. The huge amount of current is passing through the solenoid, and it will be energizes and release the plunger. Okay. So try to consider when high current is increasing, release the plunger in downward direction, and there is a separation between fixed contact and movable contact. Okay. So this way the solenoid is operating. It's clear because under solenoid under short circuit condition, solenoid is operating. Under overload condition, this bimetallic strips operating. Understood? And again here, this under this condition also, under short circuit condition also, this spark is developed between fixed contact and mobile contact because of this sudden opening of this fixed contact and mobile contact, and then spark is appear, and the spark can be disappear and can be minimized by using arc divider or spark divider. Okay, under short circuit condition, in this way, this is the operating. It's clear. So this is under overload condition, the bimetallic strip is operating. Under short circuit condition, under overload condition, the bimetallic strips bend downward direction and is operating, and means that is the opening contact between fixed contact and mobile contact. And under short circuit condition, the solenoid is operating. Am I right or not? Under short circuit condition, the solenoid is energized and push the plunger in downward direction, and there is a separation between fixed conductor and mobile conductor. That's clear. Under short circuit condition, solenoid, this is called magnetic operation. Under thermal operation, this is bimetallic strips. Okay, because of heat, this bimetallic strip bending downwards direction, and there is a separation between these two, and then open the conductor. This way is operating under overload condition. Under short circuit condition, this solenoid is operating. Okay, but why these two types of mechanisms are required? Why these two types of mechanisms are required? That means thermal operation and magnetic operation. So why not one? Means so this devices. So this current changes like this. Okay, so when the current is with the devices or electronic devices are operating, okay, this suddenly there is a spike. Okay, so there is a spike above the rated current under this condition also. So this is condition, the use amount of current is passing. Okay, above 16 amps. Okay, this is spikes in this here also this okay, so this MCB is so because of this small amount of spike, okay, the time is very less. Your time required to get this type of spark, okay, spike. This type of spike is to get the time is required is very less. So in this case, the bimetallic strip is okay. This bimetallic strip is not going to heat. Understood this concept? Okay, when suddenly is increasing within the very less time, in millisecond or millisecond in seconds, the current is suddenly is increasing and so decreasing like this. So at this case, so this because of this current, the bimetallic strip is not going to heat, and also it's not bending. And then, so if you are using only bimetallic strips instead of solenoid, this magnetic operation. So if the MCB is operating based on only bimetallic strip, that's called thermal operation. So this much of current is not is required to heat the bimetallic strips. Am I right? So this much of current, this time, in this time, the bimetallic strip is not heated up and is not bending. Okay, but this current, this Rabo rated current is passing through the device with the very less time. So in this also, so to operate this MCB, okay, in this also, in this time period also, to operate this MCB, this magnetic operation is required. Okay, that is called under short circuit. This solenoid is operating under this condition. Okay, so under normal conditions, so like this, under heavy high spark condition, okay, so huge amount of current is passing and solenoid is operating immediately and open the contact. Okay, in this way, this so is operating under this condition. Okay, so this is about MCB operating principle. Okay, this is about MCB, working principle of MCB. Okay.